Hi, I'm Tony Zioli, and I'm the founder of Netmix.com, along with Tony Hayes, the lead developer. I welcome you to this video, and we're going to talk about our 2.3.3.5 release. That's right. We have a kind of a minor bug fix maintenance update, and we've just added a few controls that I want to talk to you about. And I thought I would do a video, just introduction to the 2.3.3.5 release. I don't have any screenshots for you this time around, but I'm going to read off my list of changes on our changelog, which we have on our netmix.com website, and you can check that out. And then you can test out some of the new features that we've added, just some small minor controls and a few advancements. So to get started, I'm going to read off my list here. We want to use this. We fixed using a schedule based on start day as specified for the schedule view. So that means that if the schedule is Wednesday, then the start day is Wednesday. If the schedule is on Thursday and the start day is on Thursday, then you can tab back and forth between the days, right? The day left and right shifting on schedule table tab mobile views, that needed to be fixed. The left and right shifting on the table and tab mobile views was a little wacky, so we took care of that. The past, today, future filter for schedule override list, we did that, we added that. We also added a filter for schedule display start day into accept today. So you can use a filter for schedule display of the start day. And then we also added the current playlist, if any, to the broadcast data endpoint for the API. So if you needed that, that's in there now. We did do a 2.3.3.4 release, but we never released it. Well, we tagged it, and then we realized there were some things that were not included that we needed to get in. So we didn't want to do one release and then all of a sudden 2 days later do another release. So we kind of combined the 2.3.3.4 and the 2.3.3.5 into the new release. So one thing we wanted to do was we improved the auto matching of the show description to the info height on show pages. And then we wanted to allow multiple related show selections for a single post. So if you are posting something to the blog and you want to add it to multiple shows, you can do that now, right? So you, instead of creating 3 blog posts that are pointed to 3 different show pages, now you can have one blog post that's pointed to multiple show pages. So that way, if it applies, if some information applies to 3 different shows or 5 different shows or all the shows that you have, you can send that post to all the pages. And we think that that's going to improve things, right? Then we had the ability, let's see, allow multiple show related selection for a single post, ability to assign posts to relate to multiple shows, which we just talked about. And then we added something that I noticed. We needed to add some things for the show post list. Instead of having you go into the post and then select the shows that you want to send it to, we added to the quick edit screen, and we added it to the bulk edit action for the post list as well, right? Because, it's kind of obnoxious really to say, oh, you always have to go into a post to assign that post to a show. You should be able to do it in the quick edit view, or you should be able to switch that out in the bulk edit view if you want to, assign multiple posts to a show. So you want to be able to do that, so we fixed that. And then we added some filters. Some user requested a filter for label text and title attributes on the show page. So there's a filter for that now. You can find that in the documentation. And there's a filter for label text above the show player. So on that player, you can change the label text. The default is empty, and you can change that player text to that label to whatever you want to change it to. So that's pretty much it. It's a real short list, but I wanted to get that out to our users through this video and online on our changelog, and we've sent out the email newsletter, well, really the email notification, I should say, and then we'll get that up in the blog and link to things as we can. So we appreciate you using radio station by Netmix. We think it's a great plugin, and we hope you're enjoying it. If you have any support requests, obviously go to wordpress.org/plugin/radio-station, and you can add your support request there. Or you can check out our GitHub at github.com/netmix/radio-station, and you can check us out there and leave any bugs that you find or whatever have you there, right? The other thing that we are doing now is Patreon support to get your station into our netmix.com station directory. So we have different levels of giving. Right now it's free to get in, but if you really want to support the free and open source version, we could use your help on a monthly recurring. We have like a $5 a month for individuals, another $10 a month for schools and nonprofits, and then we have a $15 a month for corporations and larger entities. So you can go and sign in on our Netmix station directory, add your support level, and help support Netmix with your monthly recurring subscription. It's our way of generating some revenue right now before we release our pro version, which is coming soon. I say it's probably in the next 30 to 60 days that we're going to get this out and out there. And one of the things that we're adding to the pro version is a sticky footer player for Pro, and we're adding a bunch of other features which we think you'll like. And we've got a free audio player, widget player coming for our free player as well, our free version as well, I should say. So check us out, netmix.com. Always download the plugin on the plugins page, wordpress.org/plugin/radio-station. You can download it there, and make sure to join our mailing list if you haven't, so you can get updated notifications of new releases and information from our team. So again, Tony Zioli, CEO of Netmix. We appreciate you using the plugin, and we'll see you next time.